how you can download apps from your Google in iPhone. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let us get started. So the first thing you'll want to do is just download Google Chrome. To do that, go to your app store and search for Google Chrome. So just search for it, and after you do that, just hit install, and if you've already installed it, you can update it too. So after you've done that, what you need to do is go to your settings, and after you're on your settings, go to your apps section. So after you're on your apps section, search for Google Chrome. After you do that, just tap on it, and there you will see an option called default web browser app. After you do, just tap on it, and you'll need to select Chrome. So after you select Chrome, what happens is that your device will now use Google Chrome as its default browser. So just open Chrome up. After you open it up, you'll just have to search for the app that you want to download. So let's say TikTok, and after you type in, you will see option right here to download it. You'll just have to press on install, and you'll have installed TikTok on your mobile phone. So it's that simple, guys, and that is all for the video too. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.